In this video, you will learn how to operate and maintain the SmartSource Professional Check Scanner. For additional information, documentation, and support, please visit www.digitalcheck.com. Part 1. Initial Setup. Inside the box you will find a power supply with detachable wall cord, a USB A to B type cable, setup guide, 4-line SmartSource inkjet cartridge, and the SmartSource Professional Scanner itself. Please do not attempt to pick up the scanner from the sides, as the exterior cover is not designed to support its weight. Also, please do not attempt to plug in and connect your scanner until after you have installed the deposit software package containing the drivers. The scanner's exterior covers can be easily removed by lifting them straight up. Note that the scanner covers, especially the center cover, contain fixed posts and receptacles that must be aligned with the corresponding parts on the scanner when reattaching them. Be sure that the covers are seated correctly or the scanner will not operate properly. You will need to install the ink cartridge before using your scanner for the first time. With the covers removed, press the blue latch to open the ink cartridge housing. Then, remove the ink cartridge from its foil wrapper and pull off the plastic pull tab over the print nozzle. Insert the ink cartridge as shown. The top should be level when it's inserted properly. Please be sure that the print nozzle is oriented towards the bottom when inserting it into the scanner. When you are finished, close the blue latch to secure the cartridge into the housing. Reattach the external covers, making sure they are lined up with the guideposts on the scanner's frame. After your deposit software has been installed, plug in the scanner's power cable and USB cord. Plug in the power supply to a wall plug. Finally, connect the scanner's USB cable to the computer. You are now ready to use your scanner. Part 2. Scanner Operation. With the scanner plugged in, turn the power switch located on the rear of the scanner to the on position. The lights on the top center cover will be solid green when the scanner is detected. Be sure that the metal limiters in the exit pockets are fully extended to prevent paper jams. Be sure to prepare your documents by straightening the bottom edge and the leading edge until they are aligned as shown. This will help prevent misfeeds and paper jams. When scanning is activated in your deposit program, the input hopper will open to allow documents to be inserted. Be sure to insert checks with the front side facing outward as shown and only to the white limit line printed on the top of the scanner. You can insert up to 100 checks at a time into the input feeder. Two-pocket sorting can be enabled in your program's options. Part 3. Clearing jams. If an item becomes stuck, press and hold the top button to clear the paper path. This will also eject any documents remaining in the feeder. Sometimes a severe jam may not be possible to clear this way. If you encounter a severely jammed item, remove the scanner's external covers and try to pull the document out straight forward. Do not try to lift it straight up, as this may cause the paper to tear off between the rollers. For documents that can't be pulled straight through, for example those stuck in the back of the scanner, you may try to lift them out gently by pulling at a slight upward angle no more than 45 degrees. Part 4. Rapid Cleaning. If you notice streaks across your images or repeated paper jams, it may be time to clean your scanner. The SmartSource Professional does not have an automatic cleaning mode. Instead, use your bank's deposit program or the scanner demo program to feed a cleaning card through as if it were a regular check. Flip the card over end or side to side after each pass through the scanner. After 8 to 10 passes, your device should be clean. Wait up to 1 minute for the scanner to be dry enough to use again. To avoid the card becoming jammed, please remember there may be a split-second delay before feeding, and do not try to insert the card further. Discard the old cleaning card when you are finished using it. These are single-use cards not designed to be used again. Part 5. Detailed Cleaning. A more thorough cleaning should be performed on an as-needed basis only if a cleaning card did not resolve your issues. To access the internal components of the scanner, first remove the outer covers by lifting straight up. Repeated misfeeds or double feeds may be caused by a worn separator. The triangular separator piece may be lifted straight up and rotated to a fresh side or replaced entirely. The main feed rollers, which can be identified by their brown color, can also be lifted straight off and cleaned or replaced. Both the feed rollers and the separator typically wear out only after extremely prolonged use. The scanner's image sensors can be accessed by removing the front and rear image sensor walls as shown. Clean the image sensors with a digital check swab or an alcohol wipe. Be sure to clean the image sensor glass first before moving on to the plastic walls and surrounding areas. The removable image sensor walls can also be wiped clean. Please be sure to avoid the felt pad that collects excess ink from the endorser. Older models of the SmartSource Professional have a removable felt pad that can be replaced when it becomes saturated with ink. Newer models have an extended life felt pad that is built directly into the image sensor wall. When you are finished cleaning, replace the image sensor walls by sliding them over the metal guide posts. Then, replace the external covers. Part 6. Replacing the ink cartridge. First, remove the old ink cartridge by releasing the blue latch at the back of the scanner and gently lifting the old cartridge out. Insert the new ink cartridge as shown. The top should be level when inserted correctly. Be sure that the print head is oriented towards the bottom when inserting the cartridge. Close the latch to secure the cartridge when you are done. Then, replace the outer cover. Part 7. Replacing the franker roller. The franker roller is located on the exterior of the rear camera wall. To remove the franker roller, apply gentle pressure and lift it straight off the metal post that holds it in place. To install a new franker roller, simply repeat the process in reverse, then replace the exterior cover. Visit www.digitalcheck.com for product information and training tips. Order supplies online at store.digitalcheck.com.